welcome back to the Command Center. You dig? You understand me? You dig? What's going on, fam? Appreciate you guys tuning in tonight. Normally we usually do Fight Night Friday night on Fight Night on Fridays. We're not gonna do that tonight. We're gonna take a look at this new PlayStation VR2 up and coming game called of Lies and Rain. You dig? They saying we're getting a lot of hype about this game made by some new indie developers, saying it's a lot like Half-Life Alyx. Oh my God, which I have not unfortunately played yet. That's crazy, man. Don't tell nobody. But tomorrow we're gonna do our Mortal Kombat anniversary appreciation celebration dedication to the nation. Man, that's a lot of stuff, man. And we're gonna take a walkthrough through the original Mortal Kombat. You know, they're celebrating the 30th anniversary of the game. And man, what y'all know about the original Scorpion? You understand me? The original Sub-Zero. You understand? Yeah, we're gonna take a look at and go over that stuff tomorrow. I think they got a new and upcoming Mortal Kombat 2 game coming out. I'm hearing through the vibe. You understand me? Yeah. So let's take a look. Again, thank you for tuning in to the Command Center. I ain't seen you guys in a while. Yeah, we're gonna come back Wednesday night. With Dennis the Menace. He's got a game he wants you guys to take. Our new RPG guy is back in the building with Claire Obscure on Steam PC. You dig? So yeah, we're gonna check him out. But right now we're gonna check out of Lies in Rain. You dig? Yeah. Don't forget about our 500 subscriber giveaway. That's coming up here real soon. I think we're at 400. Let's set this up. The PlayStation VR2 has a bad habit of forgetting your play area. I don't know how it does that all the time. It does that every time. Let's get into it. No, it didn't forget this time. Let me stop it. Was I talking nice? Yeah, well, I'm in a different position, so yeah. Hope you guys, as I said, are doing great tonight. Okay, we're gonna check, skip, change, check, skip, we are instantly in the game. Oh my God. So hold on. For a minute. Yeah, I'm hearing good things about this game. Being kind of like Half-Life Alyx, I can't compare it to Half-Life Alyx, unfortunately. I ain't never played. Okay, hold on, let's get in here. Collaboration, graphics, audio. Okay, we don't need to do all that. Yeah, of course. Take back. Start new game. And let's check this game out. Yeah, this is, I don't know, I think this is coming out, I'm pretty sure, real soon here. Oh my God, Atom. Can you hear me? What's going on, Atom? And I'm talking about, now I do graphics look crazy on here. These indie developers are getting better at their job, man. Oh man, we got what kind of world are we in? Just reminds me a little bit of let me get up here. Now I was just telling some people today that I got some games that'll make you yeah. We gotta jump. Or do we gotta grab on. Oh no. Let's grab on these bricks. Oh my God, and we're climbing down. Yeah, I hope you guys have been doing great. Welcome back to the Commander Man Center. Y'all already know it's Quentin Reinhardt in the building. Yeah, that 500 subscriber giveaway is coming up real soon. We want to get that PlayStation. This is just like Half-Life. They got the globe and everything. They might, hey, don't push it too far, man. Yeah, I need to go grab Half-Life. Oh man, this train. Oh my God, somebody finally. Okay, let's grab from here. Oh my God. Oh my God, let's go calm down a little bit. Okay. Man, you really feel like, oh my God, look at this. Yeah, this is crazy, man. They said, yeah. Let's keep moving forward. Oh, it's rocking. Oh, that bell. Oh, I got out of there just in time, huh? Time out. Can we reach over there? No, we can't stand yet, can we? We must stand. We can't reach it. Yeah, okay, yeah, we can stand. Okay, oh my God. Was we on the train and it wrecked or something? Look at this. Yeah, don't fall back down now. Yeah, let's go back up. Yeah, a rise. Yeah, in rain. Oh my God. In the building. In the Man, do you copy? Somebody's trying to get in contact. Look at
someone there.
Oh my God.
I don't know. Who's Adam?
Right down to the gloves. This guy doesn't remember. Who he is.
The drones.
Oh my God. What is this thing? Oh yeah, this just like Half-Life. I ain't never really. I seen Half-Life. I know a little something about it, but not too much.
Hey, can you hear me? Shit.
We got batteries in here. We got bottles. We just got stuff in the bottle. Oh, yeah, you got real hampers in here. You got real hampers in here. Can we open these up? Oh, yes, we can. Oh, my God. Let's see if we can break this. Oh, yeah, we overgot. Yeah, they got to get, somebody's been laying down here. And they got their tissue, too. Yeah. Okay, let's go in here. Oh my God, yeah. We got cans of toner. That's already open. Yeah, this one of the crazy games. Yeah, man, we're gonna do our Mortal Kombat situation.
Hey, what the hell is happening?
Tomorrow.
Like, who am I? Why am I here?
30 milligram and then hyperzoid. Oh my God.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, that's how you stop that. Continue.
Hey, listen. What the hell is going on? Hey. Shit.
Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this crazy mess here, man. Yeah, I was just telling some people, man, I got some games, man. It'll make you forget you in my living room. Yeah, I was just telling some people that they know who they are. Hope they're looking. It's probably gonna be one of them. Oh, we got pills everywhere. Okay, we got a garbage. It looks interesting right here, but it don't open. Oh, we can't mess with that. Okay, these are lights. Man, the graphics ain't bad for it. Look, like I said, indie. These guys, man, that door, that must be a door. Oh my God, wait a minute, we got fuel in here. Okay, yeah, we don't know what that is. Let's see what's in here. We're looking for it. I don't got nobody in here. God, what's going on with that? Okay, let's move these cans up. I just move that out the way like that. Yeah, VR, boy, yeah, it's over with. Check out the VR, the virtual reality situation jumping on the PlayStation. Can we go in here? No, we cannot mess with that game. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. This looks like. How come the cigarettes all in every game? Cigarettes. That's a whole bunch. And them pills. We must need them pills. Them cigarettes. Because it shows a lot of them. Ain't nothing in there. I learned to check stuff, man. Oh, it's another train over here. Okay, let's see what's behind here. Hope that don't jump out on me. What's this way? Oh, we got two ways we can go. No, we can't go that way, I don't think. We can't go this way. What is this? Oh, that's a disc. We've been walking for 5 days straight. The blistering on my feet has burst, and each step sends a wave of pain. Makes my head spin. My wife and I are at our limit, each carrying one of our children. The cold is worse than usual, and our toilet clothes barely cover us. If we hadn't found this subway, we'd have frozen to death by now. The few blankets we have are wrapped tightly around the kids, but their faces, okay, could have imagined my class. Oh, these little discs, I guess tell you what's going on. Oh my God, is he dead? Yeah. Oh my God! For an eye or something. Oh, we don't want to go that way. Let's go this way. Yeah, we don't want to go that way. You see how I got out of there? Oh, we can't go this way. We gotta go that way. Let me find out. You didn't see us, did you? Found somewhere to go. Oh my God, look at this soldier dude. He got woods. Oh, you can move on this. Get some of that armor off. Where that gun at? Because we're going to need that. You dig? Yeah, man, we're going to have our Mortal Kombat 30th anniversary. Ooh, that's a spider dude. Oh my God. You got spiders? I don't like spiders. Oh my God. We might not be able to finish the demo. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh my God. Yeah, I better have a gun. Yeah, I bet you them pills, you need them in this game. Because there's too many of them laying around. They're going to kill you. Pick up the pills.
What's this? It seems familiar, but...
Your backpack.
Freaking memory.
Okay.
Yeah, Sam, right?
Let's go ahead.
I'm good. I just found this weird cube. Some kind of hardware, I think.
Take one of these hammers.
Feels like I've
They
seen
ain't
it
playing no
before.
game. Nobody.
It must be a GPU number. Just what you need right now.
What's a GPU?
It stands for Genetic Processing Unit, an advanced processor able to boost your abilities and weapons specifically designed for data form.
Oh my God, look at that. They got
Abilities?
good physics in
Data
here.
form? What the hell are you talking about?
I told you before.
Taking this.
Sam? Sam! Shit.
We got another cube. You got anything in these drawers? See, I need a gun. That's what I need. Yeah, them pills. I can guarantee you. Yeah, see, this hammer ain't playing. I just can't get it right in my hand. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is where the. Ooh, what have we found here? Okay, hold up. Yeah, fam, we're gonna have take a look at that mortal. You gotta have a card to get past. Okay, anyway, let's check it here. Make another cube here. See, it paid to check around. Let me get that. Let's see what's on here. This a big generator or something? We found out they've been hanging out. Yeah, we're gonna do something with that Mortal Kombat 1. The original Sub-Zero, the original Scorpion. Not Scorpion, Scorpion. You understand me? Yeah. Ooh, man. Oh my God, it's what I was looking for. Give me this right here, the Eradicator. Hold up. Gravity. Oh, you got gravity? Oh, you need 3 cubes. CPU collected. So, oh, that's how you get stuff in here. So how do you grab the cube? Oh, CPU collected 3. So how many do I need? Cost 1. Do hold on, grab and pull towards yourself to pick up distant items. Oh, okay. Okay, I can do that. Dang, how many? Ooh, you gotta find a lot of keys to get them guns. Okay, man, I need one of them guns. Man, see, I don't like being in games without this gun. Let's test this ability out. See if we got it. We don't got the ability yet. Because we still got it. And that only means one. Okay, so I don't know why. Oh, okay, I see now. Okay, 2020. You need 20 for the health upgrade. More jumps. Add more energy to gravity gun. This just like this gonna be just like this gonna be just like Half-Life Alex. I can tell. Oh, yeah, it is too. Yeah, y'all don't be pushing it too far now. See that card over there. Now I can just get it through that gate. Oh my God! Now I can. Too big. Give me that card, man. Might need that again. Yeah, open this up. We need a gun. That's what we need. Where the gun is? somebody just cold dead right there. You understand me? At least they put a body thing on. Let's see, is this a bone? Oh my God. No, we don't need that. Okay, let me see. Oh, cigarettes. Can you believe it's cigarettes in there? Okay, yeah, box full of cigarettes. Don't you see they say no smoking right there, no drinking, and then no eating either, man. Well, what are you supposed to do there?
I think I've seen this man before.
This guy here, man. That's a nice portrait they got on him here. And it's 4K 3D. And the helmet, it looks like it's in 3D. Yeah, that's crazy how they got that. Nice graphics. Oh my God, what do we have here? See, we got another box of cigarettes. Oh my God, wait a minute. Is that? Ooh, wait a minute. What happened to us? We're going through a tunnel. Oh my, where are we at? Oh my God. Can we jump? How do we jump? Okay, we can't jump. We can jump. Man, look at this. Oh man, it's crazy. Oh my God, look at this. Yeah, but check out the graphics. Look at the walls. Yeah, I hope we don't get killed, because see, we ain't got no gun. Yeah, I know. I think we should avoid it. Yeah. Man, we are in a void. Ooh, we don't step over there like that. Yeah, don't run over there like that. Is you crazy? Yeah, man. Yeah, tomorrow, do not miss Scorpion, Sub-Zero, Liu Kang for that 30th anniversary. We're going to take a look at what Ed Boon and John Tabis put together 30 years ago. I remember when that came, when Mortal Kombat first hit the arcades. It was crazy. Took it by storm. A lot of people tried to make, oh my God, jump down there. Because once we jump down there, we don't got no jump to get back up here. So, look at this thing. Okay, anyway. Only one way to find out. Okay, we did. Yeah, but, yeah. And a lot of people tried to cop that game. I remember they brought a game out on the Panasonic Real 3DO called Way of the Warrior. And it was just like Mortal Kombat. Like the gameplay though, big time. A lot of attempts from people to make a game, a similar. Do I do something with these guys? Oh yeah, we out of there now. Because we can't go anywhere now. Oh my God, should I have not came in? Don't jump into the void. Don't do that. Well, can we grab it, guys? We got that power, gravity, ability. We can't grab it. Can we grab it? Oh. Man, it's crazy. What did I do? Yeah. Now, can we get back? Let's see if we can get back. Watching how these move. Let's see if we can get back up here. I doubt it. No, ain't that crazy? Oh, hold on. And you see how this stuff working out? Now, when we go by it, it closes up. We find out they got us in the void. Yeah, that's. We supposed to ride the line or something? I don't know what the heck we doing here. I shouldn't have came in here. Understand me? We ain't got no gun. know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna jump off and see what happens. Yeah, because we can't, I guess we could travel to, let's jump off. Oh my God! Yep, we died. Just like I thought. I guess we shouldn't have came in there yet. I don't know. We sure died. So let's not go in there. Hold on. I think we need something before we go in there. Yeah, this is just fam. This demo is currently on the PlayStation Store. You too can go check it out. And just pull it if you got the PlayStation VR2. I was gonna pull it on Steam and check it out because the G2 and that Steam PC VR shows a little bit better. Let's see. Card right back there. Let's look at some of these drugs because we need something else. I think before we can go in there, and I'd have missed somewhere.
It's electronic lock. I need that magnetic card over there.
You can't get out of here anyway. Out once you're here. Can we interact with this? No. Yeah, I don't know what we supposed to have here. Maybe we took a look. What did that say? Oh, you gotta break them boxes. See. Yeah, oh my God, they got another one. So it's cubes around. I see the cubes. The cubes are gonna be. Can we go that way? What is this? I didn't even see this. Okay, don't be pushing buttons. That do something. Okay, let's break this box. Because it's like I got a feeling. And they have a cube in that one. Can't do nothing with that. Oh my God. They sure don't want you to fall down there. Can we move any of them? No. It's always a trick with this stuff, man. So let's see if it's a cube. Okay. Okay, here goes another box. Here goes another cube. So we must need some of these cubes. So is it any more? We can't get out that door no more. So I don't know what that is. We got 4 cubes. Oh, let's go back this way first. thought. So maybe we made a wrong turn or a bad turn or what, man? Let me find out. And see, I ain't never played half my ballads, so and that's unfortunate. Don't tell nobody. And I'm a huge VR fanatic. I just ain't got around to getting in the game and playing it. I got so many other games I be playing. So let's see if we can do anything with these extra cubes. Yeah, we ain't got no. Okay, oh my God. Okay, so, oh, hold on. Can we go back in there? No. Ain't that crazy? Yeah, this crazy. Yeah, it don't look like we're gonna be able to make it past the demo. Pick up the gun. I didn't ever see the gun. Where the gun at? Oh my God! Oh my God! Hold up. Ooh, yeah, this off the chain. Okay, that was fun. Okay. Oh yeah, we got target practice going on. We got some action, fam. I don't know what kind of gun they gave us the eradicator. Everybody, okay. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, oh, this is for the jump. Oh, so this is how we. So those are dangerous. Oh, this takes you a long way. I guess if them things hit you, you know what was crazy though? They didn't do nothing to me when I didn't have it on. So, yeah, it's gonna be a crazy game right here. Let me make sure I got this right. Okay. Ooh, wait, look at that. Raw. Okay, hold up. Let's see if we can make it over here. Can we make it? Let's get red on the chair and charge up. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, we locked on to something. Point the gravity gun at the cube, then press L. You press L2. Okay. Oh my God! Oh, that took you over there. Okay, I did that by fluke. Also, it took us to another room. Oh my God.
I'm back. What was that? Sam?
Okay, now.
I found this huge generator, and as I was approaching it, it started glowing, and I don't know, I got sucked into another dimension.
Dang.
You were probably in what you call Data World.
A data world? How is that even possible?
We're not entirely sure. GPU technology generates these dimensions, but only data forms like you can access them. Clearing it broke through the generator's firewall and Sometimes you can even use them to jump to different locations.
So, these are the abilities you were speaking about before.
Exactly.
Okay, we ain't gonna be able to figure out how to get back out this door. Yeah. Oh, yeah, 'cause they got us locked in, so what do we do now? I guess it's loading up. Oh, yeah, these guys got a good game. Going on their hands. Now, do we go back in there? Because now you can't get out that door. Okay, so we can't get back in there no more. Yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, lies and a rain of lies. Lies of rain. Oh my God, yeah. Lies and rain. Oh, here we go. Yeah, fam, check it out on the PlayStation VR2. They got hot games jumping on, especially if you are into the VR situation. No, we couldn't even go that way. Okay, now, yeah, this the problem, getting out this door. Yeah, them hands. Let me find out they try to get like that. We got locked in this room. So, in the car, make it so bad, the car ain't even up there. Go with the car there. Yeah, I guess we just locked out of that. Dang. Oh, we got a bullet? Oh, they go to the car. Okay, why can't we get out of there? Oh, yeah, we can't even reach that. We can't even reach that. So, I don't think we can get out that door with this car. So, let's try this car somewhere else. Let's push this button now. Oh, it does something. Right. Oh my God. Okay, don't smash us now. Don't smash. Yeah. Finding out together, man. We need a gun. Yeah. Where's the gun at? No entry. Oh my God. Yeah, we definitely need a gun. Dang, what is these bones? Look at the skeletons and bones. Oh my God. Let's break this and get that. Ain't no Cuban now. Look at these people dead. Glowing.
Sam, are you there? I'm in a fucking slaughterhouse.
Oh my God.
I mean, there's blood
want
and
me
corpses everywhere. Have people gone completely
We want
insane?
knife right now.
Desperate times lead to desperate actions. Now you just don't remember what hunger can make humans do.
Give me that.
Those things that we're fighting. I wonder, are we any better?
Someone still
Oh my
is.
God.
We're doing anything to regain our world. Humanity needs to be protected.
Okay. Okay. I'm not the one killing people. I need to keep this knife. So what I'm gonna do is throw it down there. And then I'm gonna go down. Yeah, get that knife down there. so that knife could meet me down there. You dig? Yeah, fam, if we down in the sewer or something. I got a feeling once we jump off this ladder, we're stuck in it. Give me this head. Okay, how could not have seen? We just gonna go on through the game. Ooh, there goes another cube. Oh, I thought that water was about easy right there. Okay, gang, stop. That went right back over there. Oh my God. Oh my God, did you see that? See, that's what I'm talking about, gun. That's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh, wait a minute. I got some, what looks like some clips. Oh, that goes. See,
Right.
That's what I'm talking
Now we're
about.
talking.
That's what I'm talking. He even said it. You understand me? What other quick thing? Look at it. Don't get skimpy now. Oh, do it shoot now? Or do I got it? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Look around, fam. Okay, it's still caught. So now, you understand me? What y'all got for us now? Oh, that's a menu. Okay. Hey. Okay, so with. Let me see if you shoot one of them. Oh, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Okay, let's see what. Okay, shoot the boxes. They don't see nothing. Let's get this. Ain't no cube in there. What else did it? Oh, you can shoot that in it. We got 5 shots left. Let's count, man. Oh, that was amazing. Sit down, man. Watch out. I'll never do that again. Let's reload. Keep that clip too. Okay, yeah, because we ain't playing no games. We ain't come play no games. Watch out, man. Open this up. What's y'all doing? Ooh, I got a hope. What was that coming up? You see that? Oh, that was a whole clip. I need that. At least they gave you plenty of ammo. That's tough. at these. Look at these. We ain't gonna be able to get that clip. Oh yeah, we is. There we go. We got it. You better check everything. Look at that, going halfway. This so weird situation. Find out. There goes another cube. Ooh, there goes a spider guy. Look at that cube. Another spider dude. He's dead now. Ooh, that goes some more clear. You need them. You did. Yeah, fam. I'm another spider dude. Oh, you can't kill them until they jump. You gotta wait till they jump to kill them. And I don't even like spiders. Blowing them away. Blowing them back. Where your buddy at? Where Lulu milk? All dead. Give me that clip. Did you see that? I got 9 more. It's a lot of them. See what's going on around, man. Gotta break them boxes. The boxes got the cubes in. Boy, they got the. They might have. Fall down, man. Quit playing. Come on, man. Come on. Stop it. Oh, that's another one of them dudes.